Alright, we're gonna start with Jerry's sweater vest. Sort of goes off the screen a bit. Then his shirt it's got like a checked pattern. I don't know what you'd call that. And then he has some sort of Nazi armband with a little horse on it. And it's, black, so I'm gonna color that in black. Then his shirt continues on to about the bottom of the screen, sort of folds in there. We got the checker pattern going. Continues down here. Then, let's see, more sweater vest. Sort of a V-neck there. Then we have the ribbon. He's kind of a bulky boy. Give him some. Yeah, that sounds about right. Just the bottom sort of folds. Let's see. So this sort of goes up to where his jowl starts, and he's got more of that checker pattern up here. Sort of loops around. He's got his neck. Let's see. Probably gonna run out of room for Jerry, but that's fine. And that's Jerry. And then we have Tom. Start with his hair. He looks very intense in the scene. He's got also a collar thing going on. His tie. And then he has a little pad down here that he's looking at because he's planning things. His jacket. So it goes down, he has the rest of his tie, jacket, legs. Alright, so now we have Jean-Ralphio. He's got his big poof going on up here. He's got eyebrows, closed eyes. Let's see, let's give him a nose here. It's usually saying something, so let's give him an open mouth. A slender face. Jaw. And he's holding samples of black ribbon, so let's color those in black. He's got a leather jacket on. He also has legs. And behind these three is a stage. We've got this railing for the steps here. And just some more beams up behind these dudes. And there we have it.